Minnesota hoye! Minnesota hoye! Minnesota Minnesota! Before I say something, I think it will be prudent that I invite our sister, Mheshimiwa Hulda, to say something before I can speak. A round of applause for Hulda. Wow, thank you. Thank you. She's been a wonderful lady in helping us organize this event. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Minnesota, Muko. Minnesota, oh yay. Oh, but this is America. We don't do that, so I will not do that. Welcome to the state of Minnesota. If you do not know me, my name is Hulda Momanyi, the representative representing this district where you are of the state of Minnesota. And this state made history by electing the first Kenyan-born, not Kenyan American-born, Kenyan-born because Obama was first Kenyan-American, to the Minnesota State Legislator. So with that, because of time, and I definitely know that you're here to hear from His Excellency, Dr. Fred Matiangi, I just have a quick remarks tonight. Your Excellency, Dr. Fred Matiangi, honorable members of Parliament from Kenya, my brother here, I know there are some that wanted to come but couldn't make it, esteemed aspirants. So those of you who are running in Kenya in 2027, raise your hand, wave. I see Jonah, I can't even name them. Okay, there we go. There's so many. And those who are running here, I have to be bipartisan. Who is running here? Raise your hand. Yes, right here. Awesome, amazing. And to all Minnesotans, the organizing committee who put this thing together, Chair Makori and your team. And of course my Gen Zs. Mukowapi Gen Zs, all this, look at them, all the security you see around here. These men have done amazing. Karibu sana to the great state of Minnesota. This is more than just a visit. It's a moment of possibilities. It crosses where visions meet reality, where heritage meets innovation, and where Kenyan spirit meets global opportunity. I welcome you not just as a state representative, but as a proud daughter of Philip and Tabitha Momanyi. Please stand up and wave, because if it wasn't for you, I would not be here today. Thank you. I also want to acknowledge my husband, Mr. Bart Hiltsley Ondieki, Protocol Officer number 1. Raise your hand and wave. Thank you for your quiet strength. Thank you for your support. So to our Minnesota team, you have continued to deliver, and let's continue to deliver. To the national team, thank you so much for everything. Now, Your Excellency, your presence here signals something greater than politics. It signals potential, because when Kenya gets good governance, right governance, the partnerships that can be built between our two nations are limitless. Let me say that again. If we have good governance in Kenya, the partnerships between our two nations will be limitless. We are not just talking about friendship. We are talking about shared prosperity. We see opportunities in healthcare, where partnerships can mobilize care and expand access from Kisumu to Kitale to Nairobi. We see opportunities in agriculture, where innovation and scale can turn Kenya into food baskets for East Africa and the world. We see technology, where our youths are already building platforms that are rivaling Silicon Valley here in the US. What they need is support and not suppression. Manufacturing, where our diaspora expertise can fuel factories, create jobs, and keep Kenyan good competitors. And lastly, education, where every girl and every boy would not only attend school, but thrive, dream, and build. Let me be clear. Thank you, somebody understands that point. Thank you. Let me be clear. The Kenya diaspora is not just waiting for handouts. Dr. Matiangi, we are ready to invest. We are ready to invest, but investment thrives where integrity is non-negotiable, where systems, like my sister Lena said, work, where visionary leaders welcome transparency and innovation and action. That is why governance matters. Good governance. Let's talk about facts. The Kenyan diaspora sends how much? How many billions of dollars did the Kenyan diaspora send back home? For what? Not million, billion. Billion US dollars. More than any other sector. We are just not a feel-good constituency, right? We are not just here as a cash cow. We are an economic engine. And we are done being what? Overlooked. We in the diaspora are done being overlooked. We are no longer here being treated like visitors in a home we have helped build. Our money counts, our votes counts, and our voices counts. We are not coming home empty-handed. We are coming with strategies, capital, and demand for what? Dignity. But let me also say this. We can't outsource change. Let me say it again. We cannot outsource change. Whether you are in Nairobi, Minneapolis, Crystal, Minnesota, Shakopee, where are my Shakopee people at? The responsibility is ours. So let me ask you this tonight. What will you do with your voice as a diaspora? We have a role to play. What will you do with your voice? What will you do with all the freedoms you have in this country? And what will you do for the next generation who's watching us? Let us recommit our vote to our vote. Let us recommit to invest, to build, and to serve. Because if we want a better Kenya, nobody else is going to give it to us. We have to help build it. We must create it. We have to envision it. If we want better leadership, we must become it. And if we want justice, we must demand it. And on both sides of the ocean, not just Kenya, but here in this country that we have called home. So as my mentor, Senator Paul Wellstone would say, I'll say it again, we all do better when we all do better when we all do better. So let's do better. Let us lead with purpose. Let us rise together. And Karibu, again, Your Excellency, you coming here signifies the importance of the diaspora and their role and their voice in who leads the next generation of Kenya. So with that, Minnesota, good job. I'm very proud. Asante sana. Thank you.